everybody. We are at Grant and Quinn's cooking show. Your names are
Grant
and
Quinn.
All right, and what are we making today, guys?
Double chocolate avocado brownies.
And these are healthy alternatives to regular sugar-filled
brownies.
Yes. All right, so we've pretty much measured everything out, got everything ready to go. So where do we start, Grant?
So we start with preheating the oven.
Okay, that's done.
350.
350.
And then we grease an 8x8 pan with butter, coconut oil, or cooking spray.
All right, done.
And then in a food processor or a blender, you put in 1 avocado. So you just do this.
All right, avocado's in. What's next?
Once you are done with that, you are going to put a half of a cup of mashed bananas in it.
And how many bananas was that ish?
1.5
Okay.
bananas. And then you are going to put in with it a half a cup of maple syrup.
Okay, and it's real,
Maple syrup.
not the
Not the
artificial
fake.
loaded with sugar, 100%.
Real
Right.
maple syrup.
Okay.
And then with that, you are going to put a tablespoon of vanilla. So I gotta get another one of those.
Okay. Because that was only half.
Because that was only half, so I gotta do another one. I used it. And then you're going to blend this.
That's all you need in there?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, blend. Close it real tight. There you go.
Okay, I think that's tight.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Do you know how to use this?
You just.
Oh, that's done. What's next?
And then in a large bowl, which I have some salt in it.
Wait, what this?
Yeah, we don't need. We're gonna do that later. And then in a large bowl, you are going to put in the eggs. No,
Grant.
Oh, do it in that bowl?
Yep. We're gonna use our wide bowl.
Okay, ready? Put your hand on my hand. We're gonna do it together, ready? Then we're gonna put it in the bowl. So you're going to put in 3 eggies.
Do it with my hand.
Good
Whoa.
job. Good job, Quinn.
Thank you.
No shell. No shells. Don't. No one likes shells. So 3 eggs
Okay.
in that bowl. And then you are going to put in coconut flour. How much?
What are you doing?
Oh, I thought you had that.
Hold on. A half of a cup. So can I use the maple syrup cup?
All right. So what are we doing now?
Now you're going to put in a half a cup of coconut flour. And then Quinny, ready? 3, 2, 1. That's a half a cup of cocoa powder.
Okay.
And then you also need a fourth of a cup of salt.
Fourth of a.
Fourth of a teaspoon. That'd be a lot of salt. And then a teaspoon of baking soda. And then the avocado mixture.
You need a spoon.
How about Then you're going to put the mixture into your 8x8 pan.
Oh.
I need this spoon. Then you are going to put in 1/3 of a cup of chocolate chips. And then, Quinn, you can't pour it.
Let her do
You have
some,
to
Grant.
spread it around.
She can pick them up. Quinn, you can pick them up and sprinkle them. There you go.
Not all in the middle. Not all in the middle. Some over here. One in the corner. And then you're going to grab, there's a spoon.
You can just spread them around with your hand.
Going to just spread them around.
We have clean hands, right?
Yep.
All right, double chocolate brownies. So now what?
And then you're going to put them in the oven. You're going to put them in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes.
All right, we'll be back. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at those. That looks so good. All right, gently bring them out.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that one.
Wow, look at that.
Well done, Lou.
They look really good, Lou. All right, so we're going to let them cool
Then we're
completely,
gonna cut them.
and then we're gonna cut them into 9 brownies. All right, good job. See you later.